Hey guys, me and Drew! How are you guys are doing? So, oh my god, I keep on saying this spiel, but anyways, it's a thing for me. So, today, I actually bought a whole set. Again, it's a Wacky Mart, but this is the Squishy Charm blind box. And here it is. So cute. So, just to let you know, it looks like these. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Alright. So actually they have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They only have 6 characters plus the secret. The secret should be the pink one. Yeah. So let's open the blind box. Okay. Oh wow. Oh. This is my first time to have this kind of packaging. Very interesting because the boxes are like in rectangular. So yeah. Let me fix this first so it would be nicer. And then the other one. So anyways guys, today I'm not just be unboxing this alone. Actually, it doesn't consider as unboxing the rest of the monsters I'm gonna show you in a bit, because I actually bought a very old classic figures of Mart Labubu the monsters, and then I also have one special figure as well, which is already like past season, but I still wanted it though because it looks so nice. Okay. Alright. So let's unbox. Okay. Let's go for the first one. This one will drop, right? So I'm just DIYing. Alright, here it is. Looks nice. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Should I open from? Yeah, from behind. Okay. This is authentic, huh? This is from Mart. And 1, 2, 3. Oh wow. Oh, it has a card. Let's see what is the card. Oh. It's the what's this? What's this? The brown one. Oh my god, I need my glasses. Anyways, the brown one. So I'll show you. Oh, it still has a plastic inside. So what we're gonna do, of course, take it out. Remove from the plastic. Why should we put it in the plastic, right? It says squishy. Oh wow, it's really squishy. Oh my god, it's so cute. Oh my god. It's like a stress ball, but more squishy. But it does returns very slow, which is a nice. And I thought it's like the hard normal plastic. This one is actually like it's plastic but rubbery kind of thing. Okay. All right. Okay, this is our first one. Look at that, so cute. Where's the other box? So that's the first one. Okay, second one, let's open. I actually need my glasses so I can read. Okay, I have one here. Oh, the first one is onigiri. Okay. Second one is the blue one. Here, blue cover but pink inside. Who is this? I should wear the whole my glasses. Oh, it's milk. It's milk, guys. So let's take off the plastic. Oh, yeah. How does it do? need to return it to its usual place. Yeah, just go from this way, then just scoot it in later. So cute. It's pink. It's like mokoko. Okay, this is the second one. Okay, the third one. It's the dark blue, which is chips. This is the chips one. How come it never says here chips? Just a photo. Okay, chips. Okay, let's take it out from the plastic. Like, so cute this one. It's so blue. See? So squishy. Actually, this is so nice. I kinda like it. But you know, it would have been perfect for this series if, you know. Okay, wait. Face there. If this part is much more clearer. The screen. Okay, that's our third one. Okay, and then let's start. And now we're going to the back. Let me adjust these guys. Yes, I'm gonna throw the box later. Oh. It's gonna be random ready. Okay, this is the fourth box. 4 out of 6. Oh, the brown. What is the brown? Huh? Oh, sorry. The first one was got me confused. No wonder how come it's become onigiri, but it's different. So this is the yakitori, and then this is the onigiri. Oh, they almost look the same, eh? Yeah, yakitori. Okay, again, let's take out the plastic. Oh my god. I wish this one could have been smaller. I have a lot of complaints. Oh, that's so cute. It's literally onigiri. How come the others are just like normal, like a head, and they just change the color? They should have something like this. Yeah, never mind. They still look so cute. Okay, that's our fourth one. And then our second to the last, fifth. So I guess this one is either the corn or the grilled sausage. Corn is the yellow, grilled sausage is the yellow green. Oh, it's a corn. Okay, here's the oh my god, the corn is so cute. They're also adorable. here. It's so distorted, the photo. I mean, the form, but of course, goes back to normal. Okay, the last one. Definitely, this is the sausage ready. Yeah. Of course, I'm not expecting to get a secret. Who am I to expect? Oh my god, I'm kind of loving this green one. Sausage. This is the grilled sausage. And here. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me bring you back to your home. To your home. To your place. Okay, let's try to fix this. Alright. Oopsie. But they're so cute. There you go. Okay, next up. Here. This one I actually bought from a seller online, and it's called the Monster Bubble Bath. It's so cute. But I do have a few exclusive and limited figurines already, so this is one of the newest, and he looks so cute. There you go. Alright, okay, the last but not the least. I know this is probably very expensive now, but I got it at a very good price, should I say. But the only thing about this is it doesn't have the box, no card, and but comes along with a frame, free frame, and it's a complete set though. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. There are actually 12, and I haven't really researched about this figure, but I know this is very expensive now in the market, especially individually, and I don't think they are selling the whole set already, but anyways, it's okay. But this is for display, and here it is. Oh my god, so cute, right? Can I open? No need to open. So pretty. Okay, let's go the other way. Okay, have a look. Okay, this one. And then go a rotation. Red one. Sorry. Sorry, there's a reflection of my ring light. So yeah, and then the purple. So nice. This is a frame. You can just have it stand on its own like that. See? The seller actually gave it a very good price. Oh yeah, I almost forgot. Where is it? the seller actually gave me a freebie, which is I'm so impressed and unexpected. Where is it? So yeah, the seller actually gave me a freebie. I don't know, for some reason. It's the other one. He actually gave me a one free blind box, which is Big Into Energy. Where is it? Let's open it. Oh my god. Because I was just dumping it anywhere just now and I couldn't find it anymore. I'm pretty sure it's just around here. Okay guys, oh here. Okay, Big Into Energy. Of course I have the whole set, which is there. So anyways, so let's open this, since we already have this. Of course, looks like authentic. Oh, it actually says here, regular edition is ratios 1 to 6. And then the secret edition is 1 out of 72 sets of boxes. So, yeah. I don't want to see yet the card so that we can see what's inside. Oh, I think it's Hope. Right, Hope. What's his name? Oh, sorry. It's Serenity. Serenity, hello, nice to meet you. So, since this guy is the extra one, so this will be the one I'll be carrying around from now on, aside from my Coca-Cola and my Crybaby. So yeah. Oh, okay. I actually went to Johor Bahru today in Malaysia, and I happened to buy some clothes. Okay, why don't we dress him up? Oh my god, these are so random. So I actually bought a lot of clothes like Prada, Supreme, Louis Vuitton, Chanel when I was in Thailand, but I haven't actually put them on. But now, I don't have the Christmas edition yet. But now I happen to go to Johor Bahru, and I found this super cute clothes, Christmas clothing. This is around, how much was it? Around $10? $11? Yeah. Let's put this on to him. How does it work? Oh, is this supposed to be a beanie? Oh my god, how does it work? Why does it look so small? Unless I have to squeeze in. Sure. Sorry guys, bear with me. So yeah, there's I mean, I could consider like 60% I'm super contented from what I've been getting so far from Pop Marts and outside. Oh my god, where does this doesn't fit? Seriously? Why yeah? Should be what? If I go from here, oh, I can. I should come from the foot, I guess. Then it will be able to fit in. Okay. I don't know if this green Serenity will actually suit him with a red sweater. I really don't know. Let's see how. Oh my god, I think Serenity, you need to have a diet now. Because the clothes is not really fitting. Oh, actually it fits. It's just that it's so difficult to fit. And there's no trousers. Okay, how does it? Like that. Oh, I think like that. Oh, like that. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then the headpiece. Oh, this one headpiece definitely can fit one. This is so stretchable. Oh my god, this is so cute. I'm dying. I'm dying. Finally, I have a Christmas edition of him. Of my Labubu. Oh, it actually fits him. Yeah. Let's try to fix that for me. Is this supposed to be lower? Oh. Here, guys! So cute! Oh my god. See, I'm so good. I'm so good. Look at that! Look! Even has a charm, Santa socks. And there's a small Christmas tree charm in between his sweater. So cute. Okay. Alright, that's it guys. I'm a bit tired today because I did a lot of errands. And I was at Orchard today. And I went to Bugis. And I went to... what else? Raffles Place and City Hall. And then suddenly, one of my friends, Jahao, messaged me. It was around 1:20? Yeah, 1:20 or 1:30. That whether I wanted to join him to go Malaysia, Johor Bahru. And then I wasn't supposed... it wasn't on my plan. Which is around 2:30, he say. Never mind, I just go and join him. That's why, yeah, it was fun though. I did a lot of stuff in Malaysia, and that's what I managed to buy as well there. And there's actually another one here. Okay, this Labubu dress and suit is just a teaser because I have so much more, much better than those. All the luxury brands and all the posh and super cute one. Yeah, definitely. So anyways guys, that's it and have a good night. Thanks for watching. Please do like, click the like button, subscribe and share if you guys have time though. Love you guys and